Understanding safety audits, what they are and their importance. A safety audit is a formal and systematic review. It examines a company's safety programs and practices. The main purpose is to check if they are effective. It looks for potential hazards in the workplace. These hazards could lead to accidents or injuries. Think of it like a regular health checkup, but for the safety of a business. It helps ensure that everything is working as it should. This proactive approach is key to maintaining a safe environment for all employees. It is a vital part of any good safety management system. The primary goal of a safety audit is to identify weaknesses. It pinpoints areas where safety could be improved. It checks compliance with safety laws and regulations. It also verifies if the company is following its own safety policies. Audits assess the effectiveness of existing safety measures. Are the current procedures protecting workers adequately? Are employees properly trained in safety practices? These are the kinds of questions an audit seeks to answer. It's a deep dive into the safety culture. The importance of safety audits cannot be overstated. They are crucial for preventing workplace incidents. By finding and fixing hazards early, companies can avoid injuries. This in turn can save lives and prevent suffering. Beyond the human element, audits also protect company assets. Damaged equipment or property can be very costly. Regular audits help to maintain a productive workforce. A safe workplace means fewer disruptions and delays due to accidents. Furthermore, conducting regular safety audits demonstrates a company's commitment. It shows that the business values the well-being of its employees. This can significantly boost employee morale and trust. Workers feel more secure and valued in an environment where safety is prioritized. Additionally, a good safety record can lead to lower insurance premiums. It can also enhance the company's reputation among customers and the wider community. Staying compliant with regulations also helps avoid hefty fines and legal problems. The safety audit process, a step-by-step guide. The first step in conducting a safety audit is thorough preparation. This initial phase sets the stage for everything that follows. It involves clearly defining the scope of the audit. What specific areas or processes will be examined? Will it cover the entire facility or just certain departments? All relevant documents must be gathered. This includes past audit reports, current safety policies, training records, and accident logs. An audit team also needs to be assembled and properly briefed on their roles and responsibilities. Good planning here makes the rest of the process smoother. Once preparation is complete, the next step is the on-site inspection. This is where the audit team physically examines the workplace. Team members will walk through the designated areas. They will carefully observe work practices and employee behaviors. They look for any unsafe conditions or potential hazards. This could be anything from unguarded machinery to blocked emergency exits. Interviewing employees is also a key part of this stage. Workers often have valuable insights into daily safety challenges. All observations and findings must be meticulously documented. After the on-site inspection, the audit team moves to the review and analysis phase. All the information gathered during the inspection is carefully examined. The team analyzes the data to identify any trends or recurring problems. They determine the root causes of the hazards found. It is not enough to just spot a problem. Understanding why it exists is essential. The findings are then compared against applicable safety standards, regulations, and the company's own policies. This helps to measure the level of compliance and identify any gaps. The final step involves creating a comprehensive audit report and ensuring follow-up. The report details all the findings from the audit. This includes both positive observations and areas needing improvement. Clear and actionable recommendations for corrective measures are provided. Specific deadlines for implementing these changes should also be set. It is crucial to follow up to ensure that the recommended actions have been taken. This follow-up step closes the loop and makes the audit an effective tool for continuous safety improvement in the workplace. Without it, the effort might be wasted. The auditors. Who performs these crucial safety checks? Safety audits can be performed by various individuals or teams. Often companies utilize internal auditors. These are typically employees from within the organization. They might be safety officers, department managers, or experienced workers. Internal auditors have the advantage of being familiar with the company's operations. They understand the specific processes and potential risks involved. However, it is very important that internal auditors receive proper training. They need to be objective and thorough in their assessments to ensure the audit is effective and unbiased. Another common option is to hire external auditors. These are independent safety professionals or specialized consulting firms. External auditors bring a fresh perspective to the workplace. They are not influenced by internal company dynamics. They often have extensive experience across various industries. This broad knowledge allows them to identify issues that internal staff might overlook. An external audit can provide a more objective and rigorous assessment. Many companies use external auditors periodically to validate their internal safety efforts or for specialized audits. Government inspectors also conduct safety audits. These audits are typically mandated by law. Regulatory bodies such as the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, in the United States carry out these inspections. Their primary goal is to ensure that workplaces comply with legal safety standards and regulations. These government audits can be scheduled or unannounced. If violations are found, companies may face fines or other penalties. These inspections play a critical role in enforcing safety laws and protecting workers' rights to a safe environment. Sometimes a combination approach is used, forming a joint audit team. This team might include both internal employees and external consultants. This method combines the benefits of both types of auditors. Internal staff provide their in-depth knowledge of the company. External experts contribute their specialized skills and objectivity. This collaborative approach can lead to a very comprehensive and effective safety audit. Regardless of who performs the audit, the key is that they are competent, impartial, and focused on improving workplace safety for everyone involved. Safety audits in practice, key industries, and final thoughts. Safety audits are particularly common in high-risk industries. The construction industry is a prime example. Construction sites are dynamic environments with many potential hazards. Audits here focus on issues like fall protection and scaffolding safety. They check the safe operation of heavy machinery and electrical safety. Proper use of personal protective equipment, PPE, is also a major focus. Regular safety audits are essential to prevent serious injuries and fatalities that can occur on these demanding job sites. They help ensure projects are completed safely. Manufacturing plants are another sector where safety audits are vital. Factories often involve complex machinery and hazardous materials. Audits in manufacturing settings scrutinize machine guarding to prevent contact with moving parts. They assess chemical handling procedures and storage. Electrical safety, noise levels, and air quality are also frequently checked. Ergonomics, ensuring tasks don't strain workers' bodies, is increasingly part of these audits. The goal is to maintain a safe production environment, protecting workers from a wide array of potential industrial hazards. The healthcare industry also relies heavily on safety audits. While different from construction or manufacturing, healthcare facilities have unique risks. Audits in hospitals and clinics focus on patient safety as well as staff safety. This includes protocols for infection control and prevention. They examine the safe handling and disposal of medical waste and sharps. The proper maintenance and use of medical equipment is also critical. Ensuring a safe environment protects both the vulnerable patients and the dedicated healthcare professionals who care for them. In conclusion, safety audits are an indispensable tool for any organization. They play a fundamental role in identifying potential workplace hazards before they cause harm. The process involves careful planning, thorough inspection, detailed analysis, and diligent follow-up. Audits can be conducted by internal staff, external experts, or government agencies. They are prevalent and crucial in industries like construction, manufacturing, and healthcare. Ultimately, the consistent application of safety audits helps to create and maintain safer, healthier, and more productive workplaces for everyone. This commitment is essential